Okay, this video is covering number 26 on the benchmark, solving quadratics with factoring. To solve a quadratic using factoring, the first thing we must do is set our quadratic equal to 0. So I'm going to subtract 17x and I'm going to add 60 to both sides. So that would give me x squared minus 17x plus 60 equals 0. That gives me a quadratic trinomial, and I know that when I have a quadratic trinomial, I'm going to use MAM. So I'm going to label this M, A, M. I multiply my M's together, I get 60, and my A is negative 17. So I need to find the factors that make 60 that when added together give us negative 17. This is going to tell me that both of my factors are negative. So we have 1 and 60. We have 2 and 15. We have 3 and 20. But I can stop right now. I could keep going if I wanted to, but I see that if I add negative 2 and negative 15 together, I get negative 17. So I'm going to use negative 2 and negative 15. So that would be x over negative 2 and x over negative 15. We split the x's from the quadratic term, but we do not split the coefficients. They both get the same one, which would be 1 in both cases. So this binomial here would be x minus 2. This binomial would be x minus 15, and we set that equal to 0. Using the zero product property, I now say x minus 2 equals 0, and then I say x minus 15 equals 0. When I solve both of those equations, I get my solutions, which are x equals 2 or x equals 15. So now I want you to look at this problem. I want you to solve it using factoring, and make sure you pause the video. Pick out the correct answer after you complete your work and put your answer on the answer sheet provided.